Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, I will discuss you how to draw firefighting schematic layout. Okay, in the previous lecture we have discussed the section drawing. Now I will show you how to draw the schematic layout. So for that, better is to work in the new sheet for schematic. So I will show you here in this sheet only. So first count the floor. We have a basement floor, after that ground floor, then first floor, then second to 8th floor, then we have a roof floor. Okay, so here I am using the text layer. Draw one line by using the line command. See, on your ortho mode, draw a straight line like this and give the text here. T, enter. Text is, suppose first we have a basement floor, so I am giving the text basement floor. Increase the size of this basement floor as a 500 mm. So here in schematic don't need to work in a scale. Okay, you can draw it like this. This is my basement floor. Clear? Now same this basement, you can increase the height a little bit more, like 700. Okay, now it is correct. Okay, select it, use copy command, CO, enter, copy it here. This is your suppose ground floor. Here I am giving the name as a ground floor. Okay, after that the next is first floor. So first floor, then second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8 and roof floor. Okay, so I am just changing the name. Now we have a first floor here. After that second floor, double hit on text and give the name as second floor. Then we have a third floor, double hit on this text and write down the, when you double hit you are under text editor command. Fourth floor. Then finally we have a fifth floor, then sixth floor, just give the name as a sixth floor. Then finally seventh floor. Total we have a 8th floor hotel building. Okay, so here now I am writing 8th floor. And roof floor. Correct. So here we have drawn. Now we have to draw the schematic layout. So you can move it little bit here. Okay. Here I am just writing the text. Use the copy command, specify the base point, double hit on that, and here I am giving the 500, 1500. Water supply means firefighting schematic. Write down fire fighting schematic layout. Drag it from here and now move it, place it. Now see, when you see in the ground floor level only we have placed the fire tank. So 2 tank and then pump also we have placed in the ground floor level. So from here already you can see in the section view the tank will look like this. Can you see? And the pump will look like this. So just select that from here. Use the copy command, CO, enter. First place it anywhere and then by using the scale command reduce the size. Actually here only we have to show the concept. In this way we are supplying water. Where we have to place? In the ground floor. So where is ground floor? Here. Place it like this. Correct. So whatever your fire tank capacity you have got, I think 1 lakh liter na, each tank capacity of 1 lakh liter. So just give it. One lakh capacity. Here I have changed the capacity. Clear? So whatever you have got. Now the water is coming from the whatever pipe size it is given by the designer, that pipe size you have to consider. Water will coming from the other water source, from borewell for tanker, from municipality inlet connection. Okay, here we have used the pump, you can see. Now from here only we have to first what we have to run the use the polyline command. We are supplying separate pipe through this OTS. Can you see this shaft, fire hose cabinet? We are running separate, one fire pipe, one hydrant pipe. Okay, so just show it like this. Suppose the hydrant pipe and fire pipe, you have to show two separate pipe we are running. Okay, like this. Now here you can see in each and every floor we have to show the firefighting, this branch line and hydrant pipe, landing wall, everything. So here you can see this is the fire pipe, and here you can see the zone control valve, like flow switch, pressure gauge, butterfly valve, and from here you can see the drain line also I have drawn, and in each and every hose cabinet we have placed the hose reel, landing wall. So these are the things which we have to show. So from here I am just copying this and place it in which floor. First I am just placing in the ground floor. Can you see here? This is our ground floor line. Okay, and now just copy it, place it here. Use trim command, tr double enter, trim this like this. Okay, here you have to show the drain line also for sprinkler. So I am using match property. This is the sprinkler pipe, source, destination. Again use the match property, source, destination. Connect it with this hydrant pipe. Okay, here I want to draw the, I am using again this is our drain pipe. Show it and connect it like this. Use the match property, enter, select the source and destination. Is it clear? So here refer floor plan for sprinkler detail, hose drum, inlet, landing valve is shown here. Okay, and this is the sprinkler line. So you can write down the text here. What text? And reduce the size of this text, double hit, and I think 200 is enough. Here I am writing refer floor plan for sprinkler detail. Okay, because in floor plan we have shown the size of pipe, sprinkler pipe, everything. Write down refer floor plan and place it here. Same way explode it here also, don't need to use this same text I am writing here. This is our hose drum. Place it. Now this is our landing wall, inlet landing wall. You can write down the text ILV in this way generally. Now this thing we have to copy in each and every floor, but see in the basement also we have placed this sprinkler. Can you see? So okay, what we have to do, use the polyline. First now I am just placing the sprinkler and everything in the basement. Use the copy command, CO enter, specify the base point, place it on your ortho mode and place it in the basement. So from here I am just connecting like this, and see drain pipeline. So where we have to drain the water, we have to drain the water into the ground floor nearest drainage. So from here I am drawing one line. This is our suppose drainage line, and here write down the text so that it is clear. This is our nearest drainage line. Nearest, connect it with the nearest drain line. Okay, like this. But here the water which we have to drain, because this is the basement, so from the basement we have to drain the water, because the nearest drainage line is in the ground floor. So how you will collect, how you will drain the water from the basement area? So here we have to place the drain pump. Okay, remember this thing in this ground floor level. So I am drawing this circle, suppose in this location. Use the trim command, use the match property, MA, enter, select the source destination. So here you have to place the pump. Okay, so here you can see I have drawn the pump. This is our drain pump. You can give the name also if you are interested. Okay, so with the help of this drain pump we are just draining the water into the ground floor area. Okay, you can also show the arrow direction for this one. So for that, what I am doing, just give the red color, place it into the flow direction, layer and color by layer. See, use the mesh property, select the source destination like this. Same way here also you can you see? Now same way, just select it. Everything we have to copy the drain line and everything. Place it in the next flow. Use the copy command, CO, enter, specify the base point and place it in each and every floor. Okay, in this way, because in each and every floor we have placed the sprinkler. Just show the line. In 8th floor also finally. So from here, drain line you have to reduce it up to here only. From here just little bit. This is our 8th floor. Extend it line into the roof floor, and here we have to place the this one, this automatic air vent. Okay, use the copy command and place it for in a sprinkler and for like this. Clear? So here I am just showing you, just suppose the arrow direction, just use copy command and change the arrow direction, rotate it like this. Okay, now see, copy, we are supplying water like this na? In each and every floor. So you can show the direction here. Clear? And here you can show the, here we are just draining the pipe. So I am using the mirror command. Yes, I want to erase the source object. Use move command and show the down flow direction, because here we have to drain the pipe from each and every floor. Can you see? like this. But for here what you can do, here just use the move command. From the basement we are collecting water in this direction, okay, with the help of drain pump. Clear? So here also you can draw the direction symbol. Use the mirror command. Am I enter? Mirror it, yes. Use the copy command, CO enter, like this. You can show the arrow. We are supplying water, okay, and you can see, okay, this is for sprinkler and drain pipe. Everything we have done in a schematic. You can see the yard hydrant also we have placed. So here what you can do, open the layer, fire hydrant layer, use the polyline command. Here you have to show the loop of yard hydrant, so like this only. See what we are doing. Here just draw it. We have to show the loop of this fire hydrant pipe like this. Okay, just remove it, place it here like this. And here you have to show the yard hydrant. Just select it, use copy command, CO enter. Whatever yard hydrant we have placed, just show the symbol of that yard hydrant. First now reduce the size by using the scale command, SC enter. So what I am doing, see all of you, suppose 1 yard hydrant I have placed here, 1 yard hydrant here, okay. Just show the placement here. Clear? Now remove it. So here I have also shown the yard hydrant which is connected to this pipe. From here only we are supplying water to the yard hydrant. Show that line. See, water is going like this. By using the flow direction you can easily show it. Water is going from this side, and now show the arrow direction, supplying water to the yard hydrant like this. Opposite direction, use copy command, and then see we are supplying water in this direction also, okay. So in this way you have to show the yard hydrant looping, okay. Now in this way generally we have to draw the firefighting schematic layout. Simple. Same way if you have placed the terrace tank, so show the tank here also, and connect the connect the water pipe line to this sprinkler hydrant system, okay. And here one more thing you can see, from the tank only 4-way fire brigade inlet and 2-way outlet connection, if you want to show, you can show it from here, okay, that line also. So this is all about how to draw firefighting schematic layout. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next.